Смотри на
Да я вижу дорогу!
Смотри на
Да я вижу дорогу!
Another strike on huge Russian ammunition depot in just 2 days. Now a drone strike hit the main Russian artillery ammunition depot in the village of Kameny, Tikhoretsky district, in Krasnodar, Krai. The destroyed depots here allegedly contained ammunition from North Korea.
Может, направо, но прям поедем. Я знаю дороги.
In the marvelous explosion of a massive munitions depot in Krasnodar, Krai, Putin lost around 60,000 tons in missiles and rockets in just the past 2 days between 3 arsenals. We are talking about tens of billions of dollars. Ukrainian General Staff confirms strikes on 2 military arsenals of the Russian armed forces. Tikhorets Arsenal is one of the 3 largest ammunition storage bases of the occupiers, and is one of the key ones in the logistics system of the Russian troops. According to available information, at the time of the attack, an echelon was present on the territory of the arsenal, which delivered at least 2,000 tons of ammunition, including from the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. The Podlyot radar station, which detected air targets in the direction of the arsenal, was also attacked. Security Service of Ukraine struck the 23rd arsenal of the main artillery department of the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation near the settlement of Oktyabrski, Tver region. Fire and detonation are recorded in the areas of both military arsenals. Videos will probably surface soon where brave Russian generals talked about what a modern and stable depot they built. Locals post video of a burning ammunition depot in Tikhoretsk.
Даша, смотри! На дорогу, Даша!
Смотри на
Да я вижу дорогу! Даша, смотри на дорогу! Нормально все? Да, здорово, все.
Газуй. Уезжай.
Окна целые у нас?
Да, целые. Уезжай. Это уже снаряды, это сейчас все пойдет.
Даша, смотри.
Может, направо, но прям поедем. Я знаю дороги.
Нет, не поеду, все нормально.
Охереть крик. Это...
Ебать! Них ебануться!
Anyone who buys a rocket from someone else, North Korea's ballistic missiles, originally intended to terrorize the Ukrainian population, are now raining down on Russian cities, and I just can't resist the irony.
Даша, смотри! На дорогу, Даша!
Смотри на дорогу.
Да я вижу дорогу! Даша, смотри на дорогу! Нормально все у нас? Да, здорово, все.
Газуй. Уезжай.
Russian munitions depots in the Krasnodar region. This is the way Russia will be forced to stop its war on Ukraine. Not with begging or thinking about saving Putin's face, or giving him another chance, or twisting Ukraine's arms for compromises for peace, or protecting the Russian air bases from Ukrainian attacks, or surrendering to Putin's endless nuclear extortion, or with absurd exercises in escalation management, or not wanting to spoil future relations with the Kremlin. This is the only way, and Ukraine is doing it right now. Russian Telegram channels report that Tornado G MLRS rockets from an exploded ammunition depot in Tikhorets district of Krasnodar region reach a town located 10 kilometers from the warehouse.
Пол ракеты. Здоровая. Сколько метров, так она разорвана еще. Вот как града. Части такое.
Locals report that due to continued detonation of ammunition air raid alert keeps sounding in Tikhorets district, Krasnodar region of Russia. 1,200 people have been evacuated from the area, local authorities reported. Not bad for shot-down drone parts. A Russian soldier from the 155th Marine Brigade in Kursk area recorded a video for his wife in which he told her about all the horrors happening in their unit. Don't need to translate whole video. The points are, their commanders simply mock them, beat them, throw them into a pit, send them to positions without food, without water, and without ammunition.
Сказали, если выживешь, значит выживешь.
Warriors of the 46th Separate Airmobile Brigade fiercely repelled a massive Russian assault, destroying 8 tanks, 8 infantry fighting vehicles, 4 armored personnel carriers, an MTLB, and a motorcycle, damaging 4 infantry fighting vehicles and inflicting 72 personnel losses, while forcing the remaining enemy forces to retreat after 24 failed breakthrough attempts throughout the day. Russian military circles say that Gerasimov is preparing for a tough conversation with Putin. Sources say that the president of Russia is scheduled to meet with the chief of the general staff in mid-October, during which Gerasimov will have to present his plan for conducting a special military operation for the end of 2024 and the whole of 2025. Interlocutors in military circles suggest that the conversation will obviously be tough. Gerasimov is expected to report on the events in Russia's Kursk region, as well as the exact terms for the complete liberation of the entire Donbass from the armed forces of Ukraine. If Gerasimov gives unconvincing answers to Putin's questions, his fate will be sealed and he will definitely lose his post in the foreseeable future.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.